Video 3, video 3, h-aon, àireamhan. What age are you? And numbers. So in this video we're going to learn how to count to 20 in Gaelic and also see how old we are. Counting in Gaelic is reasonably straightforward. The sounds you encounter here can also help you learn how to pronounce other words. Gaelic spelling is regular, so letters have the same value and act the same way in pretty much every scenario, although it might not feel like that at the moment as you start moving from English into Gaelic. Now here are the two main questions you need to learn for numbers.
Deich and àireamh.
What's the number? Deich and àireamh.
J yn ús y h-aon.
J and h-aon.
G and h-aon.
J and h-aon. What age are you? The first one being, as we have seen in the previous lessons, for a person you know on their own, singular, and shiv being for somebody older than you who you don't know that well, or plural.
Deich and àireamh.
So here are the numbers, and repeat them as you go through. J and àireamh.
Un,
Ga. Trí.
ceithir,
còig.
seachd, seachd,
och.
naoi, deich.
Un, ga, trí, ceithir, còig, seachd, ochd, naoi, deich.
Deich and àireamh. Un,
Ga. Trí.
ceithir,
còig.
seachd, seachd,
och.
naoi, deich.
J yn ús y h-aon.
So let's look at age, J and h-aon. To do that, you just simply say, like we do with feelings, ha-me and the number.
Ha-me och. Ha-me ceithir.
Ha-me seachd,
Ha-me còig. Ha-me naoi.
ha-me seachd, ha-me deich.
So J and h-aon. Now let's look at the numbers from 11 to 20, because if you're watching this, you're probably a teenager. Un dheug, ga dheug, trí dheug, ceithir dheug, còig dheug, dheug, seachd dheug, ochd dheug, naoi dheug, fichead.
Deich and àireamh.
All numbers 11 to 19 end in dheug. Did you notice that? Except 12, which changes to dheug. So you're a teenager, deug, from the age of 11 in Gaelic.
All numbers 11 to 19 end in deug, except 12, which changes to dheug. So you are a teenager, deug, from the age of 11 in Gaelic.
Exactly what he said. So let's look at this with some teenagers.
h-aoin.
Hami trí deag,
Hami un deug.
hami còig deag, hami siad deag,
Hami ga dheug.
And this is how you say happy birthday in Gaelic.
Mealta deich. Mealta deich.
h-aoin.
h-aoin.
So here's a quick task. Ask as many people their age and be prepared to answer. Thank the person for their answer.
J an ús a h-aon.
Hami ga dheug.
Tachbelat.
Off you go. Have a little attempt with your partners and friends. LearnGaelic.scot or LearnGaelic.net is a website which has all the Gaelic sounds. Although learning the numbers in Gaelic can be helpful for learning pronunciation, if you want more advice in pronouncing Gaelic, use the Learn Gaelic website. It has videos about the different letters, as well as audio recordings of individual words. Now let's go on to our task. You're going to write and answer the question h-aoin on your fact file, and you'll almost now be 3/4 of the way through finishing off your fact file in Gaelic. You're also going to use the question h-aoin in a conversation, and as we've done in the previous conversations, answer the question h-aoin. So here's the conversation. You're going to greet the person suitably, you're going to just introduce yourself, ask the other person how they are, ask them their age, and then thank them. So some conversation help. Fesgur ma, matin va. Hi is Misha. Kimina how. h-aoin how. Anta pala. Fispig, a wee note. You've only learned how to count to 20. Once you go beyond this, there are other numbers to learn, obviously. But why not go and learn them? There are also other sets of numbers in Gaelic that you will learn as you go on. There are numbers for putting things in order. H-aocd, and darna, and tres, first, second, third. H-aocd, and darna, and tres, etc. And for counting people. Unan, deich, trúr, one person, two people, three people. Unan, deich, trúr. And ceithir is the Gaelic question for how many. Tapalat, cheery, and we'll see you in video ceithir, video 4. Cheery!